ListenHub AI is a website that allows you to create podcasts really easily and quickly. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put a link that it's a link to a podcast I did with a good friend of mine called Marek about creativity in the age of AI. So as you can see, we can get a quick insight or do a deep dive and create a podcast that's 6 to 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it a quick insight. We can select what 2 languages we want, and we can also select the 2 voices. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to leave it at Mia and Mars, and I'm just going to click create. Now, if you wanted it to write about a particular topic, you could just prompt it in here like you would prompt any other LLM, such as ChatGPT or Claude or Perplexity or even Gemini. So I'm just going to click create, and let's see what we get out of this. So it's telling us it usually takes about 1 to 5 minutes. You can create another one or view other content on Explore. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go into Explore and see what kind of podcasts people have been making. So AI marketing automation, here's one. We've also got, let's see what else we've got here. We've got one on ListenHub, of course, which makes sense. So how you can clone your voice and make podcasts really quickly. As you can see, there's quite a lot of podcasts that have been published, and yeah, it's definitely worth going through. So you can click play and listen to these now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back home, and I'm just going to take a look at this and see how long it needs. So yeah, it seems like we've still got a little while to go. But once it's done, I'll be able to actually, have a listen. So if you want, you can go to your library and view things here. Okay, cool. And now we've got the podcast. As you can see, we've got a summary here. So it says, provided YouTube page features a video titled Unleashing Creativity with AI. This is exactly what it's about. And let's see if we can hear this podcast.
AI is changing how we create content so fast, it's almost dizzying. Today, we're looking at what AI consultant Jay Johnson and creative director Merrick Mars are saying about this. They see AI as this huge shift, not just in tools, but in the entire creative process.
Right, and it's a crucial distinction. It's not just about making things faster, like a production line for videos.
Okay, sweet. So yeah, that's really cool.
Here's how it handles the grunt work. The hours spent.
Yeah, so I can fast forward if I want here. I've pretty much got the whole podcast. I can even play at up to 2x speed and put it as part of a playlist. But yeah, this is definitely an interesting platform. So I think you should check it out if you can. There's also the ability to create slides. So I'm going to create slides here as well. And let's see exactly what I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Okay, cool. And now we've got the slides made. So as you can see, this looks pretty cool already. So we've got the core takeaway. Embracing AI is crucial for future-proofing businesses and maximizing creative potential in the evolving digital landscape. I like how this is presented here. This looks pretty sleek. We've got all the key sort of pillars, enhancing and automating and enhancing creative workflows. Of course, that's really important. We've got a quote from Marek here as well. We've got an aha moment, so one thing they can identify, staying ahead as well, of course, and a few different sort of key topics of the podcast here. So yeah, this is really cool. I think, it's definitely something that's got potential for like mass adoption. Definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.